This video is sponsored by Storyblocks. Hey guys, Irene here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another behind the scenes video for you guys with a gorgeous model Nyankui. We're gonna be mostly shooting just in my living room in my small home studio using just one flash with no modifiers. I'm using Godox AD100Pro. This is a very small compact flash that is actually pretty powerful, and I'm gonna show you how you can use just that to create some stunning portraits. Alright, so we're gonna do some more fashion type portraits today. I want to do something really strong and colorful, and so I decided to do more of straight on light. So instead of positioning the flash like this, like I normally do on one side, I'm putting it right behind me, and it's gonna shoot straight into the window and then reflect it back onto the model. And then for the backdrop, oh my god, there's still the price here. $3.99. I got this piece of fabric from Value Village for $4. It's this really cool velvet color. Not velvet color, velvet texture, and it's kind of like a green gold color. So I thought that would look cool, and it definitely does look cool. It looks like a gold foil or something like that in the backdrop. It looks really cool. Oh, that's really beautiful. Yes, gorgeous. You know what I'm thinking? If you maybe step from the backdrop even further, so yeah, closer to me, so that I blur out the background even more. Let's see. Yeah, I think that is better. Because the background is so textured, it looks better when it's not as strong. Yes. 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 Try to again pull it off of the shoulder like the... Yes. Yes, exactly. Oh, that's really nice. That's beautiful. Ooh, that look. Okay, so I love that look. Give me more instead of back, more towards me, just a little bit more. Yes. Right there. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you After shooting a few pictures, they look really good, but I decided that we're gonna take the dress off and keep just the jacket on to just make it more cool. I think it looks more cool this way, or more modern. Yes. When I'm shooting, I'm always moving around, trying out different sides and different angles to see what looks best. So I'm just kind of perusing around here, seeing. I really like this side. I think this side just looks really good. What if you hold on maybe to the necklace or something? Yes, yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Awesome. Oh, wait. Yeah. That's gorgeous. Before we move on to the next look, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, Storyblocks. Storyblocks is a subscription service providing high-quality, affordable, copyright-free stock footage, animation, After Effects templates, motion backgrounds, green screen, pictures, music, and sound effects. They really have it all. And you can download as much content as you want with the unlimited subscription, making it super easy and affordable to use high-quality stock items. I have been using this awesome YouTube like and subscribe animation for all of my new videos, and I got it from Storyblocks. It was extremely easy to install and use, plus the music that you guys are hearing is from Storyblocks as well. I highly recommend you guys check them out at storyblocks.com/Irene Rudnyk, and thanks again to Storyblocks for sponsoring my channel. For these next shots, I positioned the flash on the right side of me, and this will give me a more dramatic kind of look, with one side of the model having more light and the other one having some more shadows. I really like this setup. I use this one for almost all of my indoor pictures now, and I just love bouncing the flash off the wall. It's just so easy and effective, and you definitely do not need any kind of modifier to create this super amazing and soft light. A lot of people ask me about the settings on the flash, and usually I will shoot on manual, and then I will adjust the power depending on how close the flash is to the wall or how close it is to the model. In this particular case, I was using it at 1/4 of the power. Right there, that's amazing. Oh wow. By the way, this was the inspiration board for today's photo shoot. I really just wanted to try out something different, something that's a little bit out of my comfort zone. Usually I'm inspired by outfits, or I have these ideas beforehand, but in this situation I was really inspired by Nyankwi, but by my model. She's just such a strong face, such a strong beauty, that she inspired me to come up with this particular concept. I don't know if you guys noticed, but for these shots now, we decided to put on a scarf that matched the top instead of the jean shorts that she had before. Originally, I only wanted to take close-up pictures, but then I decided that maybe I want to take some wider shots as well and get more of her body in there. So by putting on the skirt, I now have a lot more freedom with posing and composing the shot. Yes. Yes, exactly. That's beautiful. And look at me here. That's beautiful.
You're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah.
What if you put your hand? Oh, ooh, I like that. I don't know if I can fit all that in the shot. Could do. No. Now let's do your hands down. Yes, that's really cool. That is perfect. That's like very strong. I see a little bit of the jean, so I just pull. Yeah, just do that. Yes, that's perfect.
Together I surrender. Give you all my money. Make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl.
Actually, keep that hand down, just one hand. Yeah. Oh, that's nice, that's nice. That's really cool. Okay, keep that, don't move.
Something good inside, set you free, that you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my mind.
Yeah, okay, stay like that, stay like that. Okay, stay like that. Just a few more like that. Or maybe just kind of like yes. So let's do this one. I like how you had it, just not too much. The only reason I'm doing this because it won't fit into the picture. You know what I mean? Like on the sides,
Yeah.
the arms, yeah. Yeah, that looks really nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. That is perfect, that is perfect.
Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Oh girl, nah, nah. Oh girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength.
At the end, we decided to go outside and take a few more shots since it was a really nice and sunny day. But by the time we got to the location, it actually got really cloudy and pretty cold. So it wasn't really exactly what I was looking for. Plus, the outside is still really ugly. I wish we had green grass and blooming trees already. So these pictures are not my favorite, but I will show you guys a few, and we might try to read these particular ones when we have the trees and flowers blooming everywhere. Let me know when you get cold, okay? When you need, can you do, ooh. Oh my God. Wow. That was really cool. Oh, I think that actually worked. Oh my God. Wait, no, because it almost worked. Let's do a few more like that. Ooh.
Okay, let's go that way better.
That's so cool. Oh my God. That is so pretty. That is so beautiful. Yeah, try to keep them a little bit more. Yes. Yes, exactly. But can you bend your arm just a little bit?
Bend.
Like here, so it's not, yeah. Yes, exactly, yes. You got it.
You were born, it was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, correct.
What if you put yourself a little bit more like, yeah. Yes. And let's do like the knee over here.
Where are you?
Yes, and then yes, exactly. You know what I mean. And do it so it's not just like your knee, but I can see like the leg. Yes.
Wear your heart on your sleeve, nothing in between. Well, come back, caress. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossessed.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite look. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.